Hello everyone and welcome back. Let me begin by saying that today's tutorial will be about building a program showing you how to work with files. But this will be the start of a series of tutorials done bit by bit, as we won't be able to cover everything in just one lesson. We'll start with some make-believe. We'll pretend to make a computer game in which there is a character. The character lives in his own little world and is going to encounter various objects. Some of these objects will not affect his health and well-being, whilst others, like ninjas, etc., may harm him. So there'll be some objects to give our character positive energy, like fruit, soft drinks, and sweets. We'll have a file with a name and the effect it has on our character's energy. We'll have a program to print these different types of items and groups. So in other words, our user can press 1 to print out the ordinary items like shoe, chair, pen, and press 2 for the positive energy items like fruit, drinks, and 3 to print the harmful items like ninja, and 4 to quit the program. We'll basically be linking a program with the file. So we'll begin by creating a menu that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, depending on which item they want. And we have to store this variable 1, 2, 3, 4 in a variable. We can store the number in a variable name, what they want. This will be equal to 1, 2, 3, or 4. So set this variable equal to a function so as to get a number. Name the function, get what they want. We now need to build the function. So above each function we can leave a comment. Basically, because they're a different color, it makes it easier to find a function amongst the hundreds that already exist. So we build this function, get what they want. And this function has to return an integer that can be 1, 2, 3, or 4. Return type will be the integer. The name is get what they want. And it won't be giving information. It'll just be getting info back, so no need for parameters. We then need a variable to temporarily store 1, 2, 3, or 4. So we make it int variable and we can call it choice. Then we want to output the choices form so they know which number they want to enter, 1, 2, 3, or 4. Make 4 separate cout statements and put each one on a new line. Just copy and paste it. So enter 1 for the ordinary items, 2 for the positive items, three for the harmful items, and 4 to quit. We now want to allow them to input one of those numbers. CIN is a way to get information from the keyboard. Whichever number is pressed will get stored in the variable choice. Then take the variable choice and return it in our function. When you return choice, it'll store the number and what they want. The what they want function gets a number from the keyboard and stores it in the variable called what they want. So we have a variable 1, 2, 3, or 4, which we haven't done anything with yet. This program will keep running until it hits 4. So we want to run the program inside a while loop. This will basically say to keep running the program until they hit the number 4. At the end of this while loop, we want to allow them another chance to get what they want, so to basically enter another number. Now the very first thing we did is run the program, and it called up this function here. It then took a number from 1, 2, 3 or 4 and stored it in the variable what they want. We then told it to keep calling this function, making it equal to what they want until they entered 4. So each time they enter a number, either 1, 2 or 3, it'll do something. But as soon as 4 is entered, the while loop will end and the program will stop. So this is the basic shell of the program, getting a number from and keep giving a number until they enter 4. Now we need to make sure that each time a number is entered, we can show the correct items, i.e. for 1 show the ordinary items, for 2 show all the positive energy items, and 3 the harmful items. So anyway, copy this code, understand how the menu function works, and how we keep looping through this function until number 4 is entered. Once you enter number 4, this while loop becomes false and it quits. Then there is no more code after it, so the main function ends and our program ends. That's the basics, and we'll continue with more of this in our next tutorial. So thank you once again, and I'll see you next time.